1500 kVA 3-phase pad-mounted transformer. 2025 order exported to the USA. Designed for medium voltage distribution. Serving commercial and light industrial loads. Pad-mounted. Outdoor dead front design ensures public safety and controlled access. Loop feed configuration. Supports flexible operation maintenance and future expansion without service interruption. Built for North American outdoor conditions, with a focus on thermal performance, insulation life and long-term reliability. A standard, utility-ready solution where safety and efficiency are simply expected.